This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Marleen Ayton. Unfurnished, annual lake view rental. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, split floor plan, with eat-in kitchen, dining area, utility room with washer/dryer off the kitchen area. Living/dining area with balcony access from each area. Mast has shower and walk-in closet. Will be freshly painted and cleaned prior to occupancy. Close to I-95, shopping and 1 mile from the beach. Cable, Wi-Fi and water are included. Non-smokers only, tenant pays renter's insurance, credit report must accompany offer with a minimum score of 650. Application is made online. Gym, pool and pay-as-you-play tennis or membership for this is available. For more information, review the details below.